Hey, hit me up on this if you want it. It's Wooukie. But yeah, I'm on my way to the mall right now. About to see what they got. Might pick me up something new. But trying to see. I ain't trying to get pulled over or nothing. So I'll come back in the next clip. Listen, my whole reasoning is to show everybody how the whole mall is, like during the whole pandemic thing. Cause you know, left their houses, so I watch this video to see like what's really going on. Like it's a little bit packed up here, but you know, it's not that much packed. They might be on some bullshit though when I get up in here talking about no recording as usual. But yeah, we about to go in here. Hopefully I can get this fucking ring clean. Hopefully I can get the ring clean. Cause I got 2 broken fucking diamonds in here. So yeah, everybody out might hit the beach today. See what's going on. But yeah, I gotta get this fixed. Yeah, I definitely gotta get this fixed. Yeah, I'll come back in the next clip. Cause hopefully they don't be on nothing. This is the whole little thing right now. What's really going on around this motherfucker? Lines everywhere. That's all really going on. Shit, that shit. We got motherfuckers at Foot Locker. They just waiting in the line. Look at this. Shit, this is how it really looking though right now at the moment. Why everything is still closed, because some of these stores is not even open at all. They still waiting to get the green light to even go back to the stores. Get these people out here. Yeah, I'll come back after this. You already know what time it is. You feel me? But I'm not about to get no copyright, so I'm gonna have to talk to y'all when I get up out of this store. Bro. Yeah, I'm in Dick's right now. I swear to God. I swear to God. Hot as fuck in this mall. Hot as hell in this mall. Hold on. I'm about to head back to the crib. Right now, the cop. Me and my girl, some of these cracks. Yeah. Shit crazy, man. How everybody sitting there just lining up. People ain't nothing else ready to do at the moment. But yeah, it's getting better though. It's getting better though. They saying that. I think. Don't get me wrong. Come on. I think that it's starting to get better. Don't even sit up there and try to go on me in the comments and stuff saying, oh yeah, no. No, for real. It's getting better though. Yeah, I'm about to go and get me some. Bro, I'm telling you, this right here, this is the best, one of the best other than Creed and LV. The best smelling colognes out. Period. I'm at the G right now. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the vlog today. I just went to shout out to Gage too. crazy. But yeah, shout out to Gage. I done picked these two up today. So I'll tell y'all how they is, but yeah, that was a quick vlog today. But daily videos, let me get 50 likes. No, what, give me 20 likes and then I'll come out with the next video. The next truth or dare. So let's get to 20 likes and then I'll come out with the next video. Make sure you comment, hit that notification bell, you know, subscribe, leave a like so we can get back up there to the top. But yeah, I'm back right now. That's it for the vlog today. You know, it wasn't that much to do. We went into the mall. You seen how everybody was looking today. But yeah, let me get to 20 likes. That's all I'm asking for the next video. The next smash or pass or something like that video. So we gonna keep the daily uploads coming. I'm telling you, it's gonna be lit. But hit the notification bell, hit the like button, subscribe, and peace.